Hi dear all students. In the last video of our science third lesson, we are learning properties of water. We learn that what is meant by dissolving, what is meant by solute, what is meant by solvent, and what is meant by solution. I gave you two examples of salt water and lemon juice prepare with sugar. In that we saw that salt or sugar is work as a solute since it dissolves. ते पूर्णतः विरघळतं पाण्यामध्ये. मीठ किंवा साखर. सॉल्व्हंट द सबस्टन्स इन विच द सॉल्यूट डिझॉल्व, असा पदार्थ ज्यात हे साखर किंवा मीठ विरघळलं जातं. इथे आपण पाणी घेतलेलं आहे, वॉटर. अँड सोल्युशन, the mixture of this solute and solvent is called as a solution. Final output is our that is called as a solution. So we saw this property of water, which is very important. From this property, let us see uses of water according to its property. Sorry. See student, here color para is here where 4 points are there. Uses of water according to its properties. Our day-to-day life is impossible without use of water, student. Water is a very important substance which is used for survival, for drinking, for cooking, lot of purpose water we are using from morning till sleeping time. Our body function is depend on water, as well as outside the body also water works at various areas. Let us see uses of water according to its properties. According to this property, we'll see first use of water. Water is useful for water transport due to its fluidity. Because it is a liquid, it can flow from one place to another. Water falling down from a height is used to generate electricity with the help of generator. The flow of water which is coming from higher places like a mountain, hilly region, that flow of falling water can have a capacity to produce electricity. So this flowing water generate electricity. So electricity is prepared with the help of water. Is a very important use, one of the use of water. Second, water is a good coolant and is used in motor vehicles to control the temperature of the engine. Since it is a coolant, very nice coolant, it can cool the things in a nice way. In a motor vehicle, the engine if too hot, it become to the control purpose for temperature, to make it cool, water is used as a coolant. I will give you home example, student. Sometime mummy is serving to a small baby. If the food material which is paste is cooked for that child and mummy is feeding him or her, if that is too hot, one of the technique lot of mothers are using, they are taking a one more big dish which carry water, half glass or 1 glass, and in that dish this small one dish is kept which have that food. which may be hot. Due to the surrounding cool water, the material in the dish also get cool. So here also water is work as a coolant. Third one important use of water is many substances are soluble in water. Water is a universal solvent used everywhere. Water is used as a solvent in factories, laboratories, foodstuffs, and in various types of biological processes occurring in the body, such as digestion, excretion, etc. So, since water is a universal solvent, students, this water is not only used inside our body, its use, which water is mixed in food for cooking, which we are drinking, all this is used for digestion in a blood preparation process. Digestive system use that, as well as the extra part which is go through excrete process through the excretion organs. There also a use of water is there that make comfortable our living life because of water only. Sometime in whole one day we not get any food stuff, then also okay, but it is very difficult to complete our day without drinking water. Water is very important for our body. This universal solvent is also used in many production areas such as factories, laboratories, foodstuff prepare companies, and lot of biological processes, medicine, everywhere the water is used as a universal solvent. Fourth one, water is also useful for cleaning purpose such as for bathing, washing clothes. This you well know, for every cleaning purpose work from morning till the 24 hours a day. We are using water for various areas. Here they give only bathing and washing clothes, washing utensils, washing house purpose, washrooms, toilets, cooking, plant trees are there for trees purpose, we are giving water to them. Then lot of you can make a list of these uses of water according to their properties. So student, water how useful for our body is you well known from your primary section till today. More uses of water you please mention in a homework. Today's notes, short notes, student, this color writing uses of water according to its property. This you write 1, 2, 3, 4 point as it is, and more maximum 6 point you please add, student, where we are using water. You well know uses of water, so you also can rewrite them in a sentence. I hope you understand today's part. All properties of water we learn in these few videos, students. Many more you also must find out with the help of more reading, extra books than the textbook. You may use your Google for that. Search many more uses of water and increase your homework list. So student, be safe till the next video for more properties of other substances. Till that time, be safe, take care, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.